Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable ebook mode on this laptop. So first of all, enable the secondary functions of your function keys by pressing the F button that's located next to your Windows button in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then make sure that the light appears in the top right corner of your Fn key, and then press F11 in order to open Control Center, and in Control Center you have to select Display and Eye Comfort. Now scroll down, and here you'll find ebook mode. If you switch it on, your laptop will turn to ebook colors, and you'll be able to use it for reading more comfortable basically. And this kind of light will harm your eyes way less, so you can read longer text for a longer time without doing any harm to your eyes. And just turn it off, just switch this toggle to the left, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.